So children, in the last class we have done question number B and today I am going to discuss question number C. Okay, but before I explain this, let us come to page number 58 where few important things we have to discuss. Okay, look at this example children. Before this example, let us see the points given here. When the noun is singular, the verb is also singular. This is an important point children, you have to note it down. When the noun is singular, the verb that is written in the sentence will be singular. And if the noun is plural, the verb is also going to be plural. You know that a singular noun takes a singular verb and a plural noun takes a plural verb. How? Let us see the examples, then you will understand. Here see children, the girl. Now the girl means we are talking about one girl, one girl, singular. This is singular sentence. So the girl means one girl. So the verb here, this is the verb, H-A-S, has. Okay, has is also called verb, helping verb. So if the noun is singular, the helping verb will also be singular. The girl has a flower in her hand. But suppose this sentence, I put S over here and it becomes plural. The girls. So this has will change into have. Okay. So if the plural noun is there, the verb will also be plural. H-A-V-E, have. The girls have flowers in their hands. Let us see the second example. Rani goes to school. Now Rani is name of one girl. So with Rani we write the verb goes. Okay. Goes is used with singular noun. But if I change this sentence into plural by adding two names, Rani and Mohini go to school. Okay. So with two names children, we write the verb go. Go is used with plurals children. Okay. And goes is always used with singular nouns. Once again understand, go is used with plural. Plural means more than one name or more than two names. And goes is always used with singular nouns with one name only. Okay. Let us see the third example. The boy does his homework. Boy means we are talking about one boy. So does is the verb used here and does is always used with singular noun. The boy does his homework. But if I change boy into plural, boys, then does will change into do. Do is always used with plural words. Okay. The boys do their homework. Next is the girl sings well. Look here children. The girl sings well. The girl means we are talking about one girl. So verb will be sings. S-I-N-G-S, sings. Sings means it is verb that is used with singular noun. Okay. This is a singular verb. The girl sings well. But if I change this girl into plural, girls. So the verb will also change into sing well. The girls sing well. This particular example children, I'll explain you once again. Understand this. Now suppose children, I take an example. Cow eats grass. Here I have written cow. It means we are talking about one cow. So you are going to write the verb eats. E-A-T-S, eats. That means if the noun is singular, in the verb you are going to write down S. यहाँ पे S नहीं है तो यहाँ पे S होगा. But suppose I change this cow into plural by adding S. यहाँ पे S आ गया. Okay. So this word will change into eat. Cows eat grass. So what I mean to say children, if the noun is not having S, the verb will have S. If the noun is having S, the verb will not have S. Okay. If you write in this manner, cows eat grass, then it is wrong children. Okay. Both will never have S. If cow is not having S, you are going to put S in the verb. If the noun is having S, here if it is S, then in the verb you will never write. Okay. Both will never have S together. So children, this you have to keep in mind. In the same manner, suppose the example was given in the book is the girl. Here you will write girl is not having S, so the verb is going to have S. So it becomes the girl sings well or sweetly, whatever. But suppose I change this singular word, singular noun into plural, girls. Now if I add S here, children, the verb will not have S. This you have to remember. The girls sing well. This you have to remember every time. अगर noun में S है तो verb में S नहीं होगा. Keep in mind. और अगर verb में S है तो noun में S नहीं होगा. And both will never have S. Okay, so this is one important rule you have to understand. Based on this concept, children, we have to solve the exercise that is given in question number C. Okay, look here, children. Mother. Now, mother makes hot idlis for us. This is already solved. Let us come to 2 number. The boys. Now, here there are 2 options given. You have to choose the correct one and write in the blank. The boys dash a lot of noise in the class. Now boys, here boys is having S. So verb में S नहीं होगा. Okay? If the boy is having S, verb will be just simply make. Make. The boys make a lot of noise in the class. So the first option, this is the correct answer, children. Okay? Next 3 number. The girl goes home with her mother. As I told you, children, goes is used with singular nouns with one person, and go is used with plural nouns. Next is they dash hide and seek in the park. Now they means it is plural, right? So with plural, we are not going to write S here. Both cannot be S. Both cannot be plural. So they play hide and seek in the park. Okay? Mr. Saxena. Now Mr. Saxena is name of one person. So here verb will have S. Mr. Saxena teaches us science. Next is they dash to their favorite songs. Again they is a plural word. So here you will take this verb listen. Okay? They listen to their favorite songs. Number 7. This book dash to me. Now we are talking about this book, one book. So here S is not there. If the noun is not having S, the verb will definitely have S. Okay? This book belongs to me. In the same manner, 8 number is also not having S. अगर इसमें S नहीं है तो verb में S लगाना है. Okay? Anyone will have S. Food gives us energy. Next is the cock. Name of one bird. So you write here crows. The cock crows in the morning. Next is we. We means we are talking about more than one person. We dash our hands before we eat. So we are going to write wash. We wash our hands before we eat. We means we are talking about more than one person, 2 persons. Next is he dash to school in a bus. He goes to school in a bus. He means we are talking about one boy. With one person we write goes. Number 12. Now see number 12, children, this noun is having S. So in the answer S will not be there. Verb में S नहीं होगा. Donkeys eat grass. Eats grass is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Eat grass. Here it is S, तो यहाँ S नहीं लगाना है. दोनों में S नहीं होता है. Okay. Number 13. My father. Now father means we are again one person. So यहाँ पे S लगाओ. My father reads the newspaper every day. Now here again S is there. यहाँ पे S है तो फिर यहाँ S नहीं लगाना. Don't put S over here, children. Okay. Cats eat mice. Cats eats mice is wrong. This you will not write. Eat mice. S is here, so S will not be here. Next is I go to bed at 10 p.m. Children, with I we never say goes. Okay. I always takes go as the correct verb. Okay. Next is we dash English at school. We learn English at school. Next is this rich man. Now here again man is singular. One man. We are talking about one man. So verb is going to be lives. This rich man lives in a big house. यहाँ पे S नहीं है तो यहाँ पे S लगाना है. Okay? और if suppose S is here like cats, तब यहाँ S नहीं लगाओगे. Clear? In the same manner, the shopkeepers, here S is there. See? The shopkeepers. So don't put S in the verb. The shopkeepers open their shops at 9 a.m. My father, again one person, takes me to the circus on a weekend. Takes. You put S here. My mother, again one person, so you write purchases vegetables from the market. So this you have to keep in mind, children, that if the noun is having S, the verb will not have S. But if the noun is not having S, suppose here, then in the verb you will put S. Anyone will have S. Both will never have S. Okay? So you do this one in your English grammar book. And question number D I am giving you as homework. Okay? You have to complete these sentences by using suitable words of your choices, children. Okay? My mother loves me is already done. The pilot, you can write anything, flies an aeroplane or is flying an aeroplane. In the same manner, you have to complete these sentences, children. So you can do it as per your choice, as you wish to write. It should be meaningful, okay? So this much for today, children. You complete the work in your book, and if you have any queries, you are free to ask during the online class. Thank you, children.